Looking for the best CPU coolers for you? Then you're in the right place. We've assembled a list of the top 5 CPU coolers that we've reviewed. We have reviewed many products and selected 5 products based on performance, unique features and many users. And if you can't find a CPU coolers that suits your needs exactly, keep this video for future updates. For their prices, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Without further ado, here are our top recommended CPU coolers. Number 1 on the list is Noctua NH-D15. High quality components, excellent cooling, and amazing noise control. The Noctua NH-D15 is one of the few air coolers that can actually match up to the cooling power of a closed-loop liquid cooler, and it does so without putting a hole in your wallet. Setting up and installing the cooler is incredibly simple, as it will easily fit on any AMD socket and accepts all Intel sockets released after 2011, including the EVGA 2011. The cooling is provided by 2 Noctua NH-D15 140mm fans installed in a standard 2-fan push-pull configuration. And there is the option to add a third fan as well. The fans come with automatic speed controlled and won't rev up until your CPU needs the extra speed, thus keeping system noise to a minimum when not under load. When under load, the fans can hit speeds up to 1500 RPMs to help keep your system cool. And all of this happens while keeping the sound levels under 24.6 decibels. And if you install the low noise attachment included, the noise levels go further downwards to just 19.2 decibels. The new NH-D15 measures 165mm x 150mm x 161mm height, width, and depth. There is also an impressive 6-year limited warranty on this cooling unit. Overall, if you're looking for one of the CPU coolers on the market and you'd prefer an air cooler over a custom liquid cooling setup or an AIO, then the Noctua NH-D15 is an option we'd recommend considering. Second on the list is NZXT Kraken X73. The NZXT Kraken X73 is an excellent option for anyone who has a large budget and is looking into a case that can hold a 360mm radiator. It also comes with 3 NZXT RP radiator fans that can operate between 1600 to 2800 RPM, and it has a bunch of RGB lighting options. NZXT clearly stands by their Kraken series AIOs, as they all come with 6-year warranties, which is longer than all of the other AIO coolers on this list. This 360mm AIO cooler also comes with longer tubing that will help you fit it inside larger full-tower cases, and it is compatible with all modern Intel and AMD sockets. The Kraken X73 does come in at a premium, though, costing a little under $160. That's pretty much to be expected for a 360mm AIO, though. But if you don't have the budget, or you'd rather get a more affordable 280mm or 240mm option, you probably won't lose too much cooling performance overall. Number 3 on the list is EVGA CLC280. Despite the fact that EVGA CLC series is the company's first attempt at producing an AIO liquid cooler, they have done an exceptional job of delivering 3 coolers that can compete with companies who have been making closed-loop coolers for years. EVGA offers their closed-loop coolers in sizes of 280mm, 240mm, and 120mm. The coolers didn't originally come with support for AM4 motherboards right out of the box, but they do now come with AM4 brackets. So, if you do want to use these coolers on a Ryzen-based build, you can definitely do so. In terms of cooling performance, the 280mm option does offer the best thermals. However, if you are working with a case that doesn't support a 280mm radiator, the 240mm option will work well too. Also, like the other top AIO coolers out there, EVGA's CPU blocks contain EVGA's logo, and it is RGB friendly. And if you have an EVGA graphics card with RGB lights, you can actually sync the 2 items together. Ultimately, in our review of EVGA's 280mm AIO, we determined that they offer some of the best price to performance in liquid cooling currently on the market. Number 4 on the list is Arctic 34 eSports. The Arctic Freezer 34 eSports is our choice for the best value air CPU cooler currently on the market. For just under $50 you get an insanely quiet air CPU cooler that comes with dual 120mm fans that can operate in a range of 200 to 1800 RPM. The design of the Arctic Freezer 34 eSports is also worth noting, as not all air coolers are as nice looking as this bad boy is. The heatsink itself is all black, and the fans are also all black, but come with either white, yellow, green, or red accents. At 4.83x 4.03x 5.93, this air cooler is a bit on the bulky side. However, it is compatible with most RAM heatsinks and in most mid-tower or larger cases. Arctic also offers an insane 10-year warranty on the Freezer 34 eSports cooler. While air coolers do typically last a long time, most companies don't back their products with that long of a warranty. As an example of that, the next highest warranty on this list is 6 years, the Noctua NH-D15. Overall, if you're looking for a really good value air CPU cooler that looks nice, performs well, and is backed by an incredibly long warranty, then the Arctic Freezer 34 eSports Edition cooler is the option for you. Number 5 on the list is MasterLiquid ML120L. If you're looking for a budget-friendly AIO cooler, the Cooler MasterLiquid ML120L is worth checking out. At just under $70, it is one of the cheapest 120mm AIO coolers on the market. And, while 120mm coolers typically lag behind even moderately priced air coolers, they do offer some unique features that make them worth considering over an air cooler. First, many prefer the aesthetics of AIO coolers over bulky air coolers. And, secondly, for anyone looking to build a mini gaming PC and are limited on how tall of a CPU cooler you can put in your build, a smaller AIO cooler might end up being your only option. So, if either of those scenarios apply to you, a budget-friendly 120mm AIO cooler like the Cooler MasterLiquid ML120L is an excellent option. Along with its low-profile design and solid cooling capabilities, it also comes with an RGB fan and an RGB block to help your system stand out. Ultimately, though, number 120mm AIO cooler is going to offer extreme cooling performance. However, they provide adequate cooling in a compact design at an affordable price. So, if that's what you're looking for, the ML120L is a great option. Just now is a list of 5 best CPU coolers that we would like to introduce to you. For more detailed information about these products, please visit the link in the description of this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You will receive our latest videos. Thank you.